agenda of CPEC over the last year. Mr. Shehbaz Sharif, as Prime Minister, inaugurated the Karot electric hydro project. He inaugurated both the Thal Nova and the TEL projects. And of course, one of the key projects of Pakistan's future, the Shanghai Electric 1320 megawatt Thar coal powered plant, which is at the moment the biggest demonstration that we have that Thar coal is feasible, Thar coal is usable, and Thar coal will be a foundation of Pakistan's future energy generation. So Shanghai Electric, alhamdulillah, now is also in operation. I look at the numbers every day. It's working well. And also, I've had this final remark in English before I switch to Urdu. I've had this privilege of watching this China-Pakistan economic partnership and iron brotherhood. As I said, I've seen it in the extreme south of the country, the southeast, where the Shanghai Electric is located, and I've seen it in the mountains in Sukhi Kinari, where I went to see lay the foundation stone for the transmission line. So if the question that is asked is that, you know, where is China-Pakistan friendship? Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to celebrate 886 kilometers of China-Pakistan friendship. This is what this project represents. And the reason I say this is it is a commitment by China into the future of Pakistan is because as CPEC was being developed, the south of the country, the areas near Karachi, in Thar, in Port Qasim, is becoming more and more important as an electricity generation area. One of the things that were also built, which should not go unmentioned, are the K2 and K3 nuclear power plants, which have now become a foundation, again, a very important foundation for Pakistan electricity generation. They are now one of our base loads that we run all year, every day. And if one of them goes offline for repairs, I get a fever because I want them to run every day, every hour.